Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Syntech Fix Hub. Today I have this JBL Soundbox 310. That's the reference number. As you can see, JBL PartyBox 310. That's the model. Okay. You can see PartyBox 310. So the problem that it has is when plugged on, everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. Everything is working fine. The only problem it has, as you can see here, there is one speaker, there is second speaker. Then one of the speakers is bad, is not working. There is no sound output. Okay, so that's exactly the problem. So I'm going to unbox the JBL and identify the problem that makes it not to give out sound on this particular speaker. Then I'll fix it. Okay, so let's test it and see. Okay, as you can see, the power is on. Look at here, you see this power. Okay, so I'm going to put it on. That is it. It comes up right. Everything is working fine. So let's see the sound.
Music, index, sort of that shit.
I connected a USB flash. As you can see, it's playing, but the sound is only coming on one. So as it's playing now, this very speaker is working fine, but this one is fault. It's not giving out sound. So here we're going to start with these two processes. One, we'll try to reset the JBL box. If it didn't work, then we can open it and check the hardware. Okay. So guys, as I said earlier, so the first thing you do is, this is the power. So you have to press the power to start it. Watch. Okay. As it's on now, next thing you do is go to the volume button, the positive button and the play button. You hold them together for 10 seconds. That's to restore them. Okay, just watch the screen. Is it off? it comes up by itself. That's the reset. This is a hard reset. Okay, so now let's check the sound whether it has been restored from the second speaker. But this is the speaker, the active subwoofer speaker, that is faulty. This down one, this one's working, that one is faulty. So let's test it now and see if the sound has been restored. Okay. Let's fix the USB. As USB.
Music Index, son of that shit.
Produções.
So after the hard reset, the speaker continued to be faulty. One of the speaker continued. The down one is not working. The upper one is working. So now I'm going to unbox it. You're going to lose it. I want to lose it. To check the problem. Okay. All you do is to lose these red buttons here, red clips here. Those are where the screws are hidden. You remove all these holes, all these clips here, you can see. Okay, so the next steps is for you to remove all the screws. Remove all the screws from here, all the screws. You got holes, yes. You see all these holes? That's the screws. Make sure you remove them. remove them with all these ones. Remove these ones. Okay. Then you pull this one out. And see, pull this one out. In the same way I did here, I also pull it out, left and right. Then after that, in that direction, you can be able to locate the joints. You see there is a screw here that's holding this casing. Also, you also get screws here. Also, you have screws here. As you can see, there's one here, one here. This one is the one that is responsible for this front plastic cover. You also have the other one at this side like this. So we want to get to the speaker. So we'll remove these two here, remove that two there, and pull this thing out. And we'll get to the speaker. We have turned to this the opposite side, which we are having these two screws too, which I'm losing now. After the screw screw, I will remove this one, the second one. The next thing is to pull out this tamper. Pull it out, as you can see. Just to pull it out. In this case, you pull the cover. After disassemble this cover, remove the clips. This clip is very important, sensitive. You have to be careful not to cut the slip. This is a slip that's connecting from the main woofer to the cover. Display buttons and all that. You can see it's the only cable that's connecting it to it. The cable leads from the main base woofer to the top connector through this hole. So you should be careful not to cut the slip. So gradually remove it remove it, then you return the cover safely and tighten it for safety. Make sure you position it very well. Now return the screws so you don't lose any. So I have to also have three screws here. This one, remove them. Also, there's another one screw here. Remove them. There are secret points. Also at the back here, you find one screws here. Remove them. The other one here, remove it. A secret ones. Pull this thing out. As you can see, pull it out. That you get some access to this point. Remove this hose. Then you find something and release the clips. Pull this out. As you can see, pull the cover. Gradually remove the clips. See, pull it out. You see this point here. 1, 2, 4. See this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a gum. You use gum to fix it. As you can see, the speaker is out and open. Now you see it. And gradually pull the covers back. Watch carefully. Make sure you monitor the connections to make sure there is no cable that may be coming from this cover to the antenna here that you may unknowingly put off. It's very important. So monitor the whole bodies, outlets, monitor the around. Make sure there is no connector, external connector somewhere around, so that it will not go and cut the cable. Okay. So this is the 40 speaker. This one is working. This is the 40 one here. This one we're going to pull out. Okay. So this is the 40 speaker. This is the speaker that is 40. So after you have removed this speaker, so you need to check You need to check whether it's the speaker that is bad or is from the amplifier circuit. So in this case we have to read the terminals. To read the terminals, you put it on ohms. You set your multimeter on ohms and read first for you to make sure the ohms is reading through. Then you test. You watch, there is no resistance. There is no resistance. But here there is resistance. There is no resistance. Okay, that means this speaker is bad. Okay, I mean the winding, the coil of this speaker is bad. So the speaker is bad, so we are going to change, put a new speaker. We just have a JBL. All you need to just order a new speaker, new one, original, with this code. Order with this barcode and get original model that suits for this JBL. It work fine. So we're going to place an order and get a replacement for new one of this. Okay. So this is the problem why the JBL Bluetooth, why the second speaker is not working, because this speaker is bad, is faulty. Either there is a bond or cut coil on this. So this speaker is bad, so this is the problem, not the main amplifier. Okay, so we're going to replace it.